Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a laptop monitor light bar with touch control. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a look at a laptop monitor light, and this is actually from the company Quntis, and this has 4 adjustable color temperatures. It does support, it says it doesn't do any glaring or flickering of the light. It even has a memory functionality built into it, so whatever setting you set this to, it's going to remember what setting you had it at originally. And then on top of that, there is like a digital screen that shows you all the different functionalities and features of this light. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of monitor light. Also, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this product. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging is fairly simple with this product. You guys can see we have a visual representation of this product. It explains exactly what it is. And what I'm going to do is actually move this over to a secondary camera angle so we can have a closer shot at this product. So this is how the front of the box looks like. It just says Quntis Laptop Monitor Lamp Pro. And this is actually the version 2.0 of this. And it's auto dimming. That's one of the features it specifies here. Now on the back side, there's just a few specifications and features of how to use this product and all the different technical stuff, I guess. And over here it just shows you all the different features too, also like the power cord, the auto dimming switch, dimmable CCT, which is color temperature, and also touch on and off. So it just shows you all those basic things that you may want to know about this product. And let's actually pull this out. That might be everything. I don't know. We have one more thing that's stuck in the box. This looks like to be our user manual, and it's actually in multiple languages, as you guys can see. And then there's also a tool for us to utilize, I'm guessing, to adjust the thickness or the width of that clip, or the gap that goes in between the lamp and the laptop. But let's actually pull out the lamp itself now. And it looks like that's it. I do like how it does come in a nice, drawstring bag, so I can easily take this on the go if I ever needed to. This is actually our cable or power supply cable. It's a USB Type A and also a micro USB-C. So depending on whatever laptop you're using, you may utilize the USB-C port, or you may utilize your USB Type A port that you may have on your laptop or your monitor. But now, let's take a look at the main highlight, which is obviously the LED lamp itself. You guys can see it says Quntis right here, and there is a nice plastic, screen or protective film that all you gotta do is remove, just like so. But yeah, really interesting design. We got our power on and off, and obviously all these different buttons. This is how the bottom of it looks like. And the cable is pre-attached. You can't remove this cable and swap it out with a different cable, so do keep that in mind. The clip itself is just a clip. It's just a simple clip, and this will clip on your laptop or your monitor. The LED light. And you guys can see they actually put like a diffuser right here, which will allow the light to not be too harsh, but it's also going to allow the light to not flicker when you're using it on a setup like a traditional laptop or something like that. So why don't we try to clip this on my laptop right here. I'm going to clip in the middle. And what I'm going to do is actually plug this into my USB Type A port. Looks like I need to flip it. There we go. So this is how it looks like right now. I don't know if you guys can see that with my camera setup. I'm actually going to unplug this so you guys can see this is how it looks like. And I can actually adjust it, and it looks like it's actually already on. So looks like it was already on. Let me power this off for a second. And I can actually adjust this, tilt it up and down, so get it perfectly at the right angle for me. And with this clip on, it's not going to fly off, it's not going to move anywhere, so that's really good to see as well. But yeah, why don't we actually kind of decrease the lighting a little bit so we can actually have a better view of this setup. So you guys can see right now we have it on the coolest setting, and if I click on this button right here, it's going to change it to a different color temperature. Very, very neat. And if I wanted to, I can change the brightness. So right now it's completely off. Click it. Now it's, you know, a little bit up. Click it again. It increases. Click it again. It increases. And then this is our maximum brightness. And I can change that for each of the different color temperatures. Really, really neat. And then our power button is just right here like I showed you guys. So if I click on this, it's going to shut off completely. This button right here is actually an ambient light sensor, and this is actually going to adjust accordingly to how bright your environment is. So right now, since I do have a few studio lights on, that's why it's not that bright. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is on though. So now that I actually decreased more of my studio lights down, you guys can see now the light is extremely bright. Look at that. And if I shift it up, it actually, I don't know if you guys noticed, but it actually dulls down a little bit. But yeah, it is really effective. This ambient lighting does work, and it just basically automatically adjusts to your environment. So that is a very, very neat feature that this LED lamp actually has. But yeah, this is a very fantastic product. Let me actually power this back on and have it at the full brightness. You guys can see I love this product. Honestly, this is a really, really good product, and I just love how you're able to, you know, change the different modes and change the different color temperatures and have it have like ambient lighting too. So there's a lot of practicality with this product, and it essentially makes any laptop that doesn't have a light up keyboard, you know, you can see the keys now. So it's a really fantastic product. This would be really useful, especially if you work a lot in dark environments or dark rooms where you don't want to actually turn on your lights. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this Quntis laptop monitor light? Well, you guys can see it did a fantastic job, you know. There's a lot of different features with this product. You have all those different forward brightness settings, and then you also have all those different color temperature modes you can actually set this lamp onto, I should say. And then on top of that, you also have that ambient lighting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of LED lamp for their laptop or their monitor. Also, if you guys are interested in wanting to potentially work with me on a product review, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you have any photo questions or inquiries about this product, you guys are all welcome to do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.